Hi friend, today I'm going to show you how to install Joomla template and solve the problem. On Xampp. Okay, follow me please. First, here I have a template of Joomla that I bought a license. So I copy it to the folder of Xampp and go to docs, and here I create a folder, so I put my name as Xampp. Okay, then you can test it on your Chrome browser like local and then /Xampp. When the internet is slow, sorry, Xampp, not Xampp. Oh, my Xampp is not okay. I'm sorry. I have to run it first. Yeah, this one. Here, this one. You have to run Apache and actual, then work. Okay, minimize it, and then you go to Chrome again and just refresh it. Okay, here, nothing found. Xampp, not limb. Xampp just index of. So I go to Xampp again and go to docs, and here my folder is Xampp. So I paste my template here, and you have to extract here, not extract the folder. You have to extract here. When to finish, okay, and then I go to run it again. Okay, you can install it easily. So I like to say because my Joomla template is an e-commerce template, so I just put my site symbol online, and then description you want to write sell product online 24 hours/7. Okay, 7 a day. Okay, email I just put my email symbol lim. Okay, at gmail.com, and here I just create account for you to see. Easy to remember. You have to open the notepad and then you write, okay, user symbol password. Okay, for example, easy for you to remember. Okay, username and password. Then confirm password. Okay, then next. I don't want to save it. Database name. Database names, you don't have the database name yet. So you go to create the database, just type local and here PHP admin. Go to PHP admin and then you create a data for new data name sample. Okay, and then check all. It's better to find easy the problem so we can solve it. Take all and I create. So you can see the data has been created. So you can take the actual, you can take. So your data is sample. Here. Your password is not that. You have to find the data information in PHP admin or okay, data detail, actual. Here the data you can take the vet here. So your username is route. Username is route. Oh, sorry. Copy it and then you paste here. And your password is none. Your data name is sample because you have created this data. Okay, and then prefix is auto. You don't need to edit it. Then you next. You click next and nothing to do here. Then you click install. Okay, your site cannot work right now. Here you can see it says congratulations, Joomla is now installed, but you have to remove installation folder. If you remove, the site won't work. So I do the example for you. I remove this. I remove it, and then I visit the site. You will see the reason, and then I tell you, okay, the site is working. Note, if your site can work, actually this site just a template only, just a plan, but you can launching to install the plugin or the other, such as language or other, because you didn't move this one side, move this one. You have to remove this PHP config, this file. You have to remove this. Even your server, you can remove this one file too. Web config. Okay, I have to reinstall again, and then I do for you, and then you can go. It's too easy. So I extract again, and then I install it again for you to see. Because right now at the moment you have installed, but you can log into CMS of Joomla, so you can see I install it. Okay, you will see the site log like this. Log like this, you can install everything. You can log into Joomla's template to log in it. So I have to delete all. I just keep one file here, and then I delete all. Then I do for you to clearly understand. Okay, I remove ready, and then I extract again. Okay, and then I delete this file. Okay, and then go to local /sample again. Okay, the same, and I give the password. Give the password. Sample again and the password. Confirm password and night. You don't need to save it. So the database name is the same here. Database name Xampp, username route, hostname IP here. So I click night. Then I click install. Okay, so I remove it. You can install the language that you want. You can click next, or you can go to administrator, or you just have to remove it, and then you go to administrator. And then you log to your account, your SIM account. Okay. My password. Okay. Okay, I close PP admin, and then you can see. So the Joomla has been updated to version 3.9.12. So we update it. Just update it. slowly. So you can see visit the site here. You can wait a minute